Cry no more. Once I rose above the noise and confusion, just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion. I was soaring ever higher, but I flew too high. Though my eyes could see, I still was a blind man. Though my mind could think, I still was a madman. I hear voices when I'm dreaming. I thought I'd hear them say, with the reason. My charade is the event of the season. And if I claim to be a wise man, it surely means that I don't know. Well, the story seals moving emotion. That's the bottom like a ship on the ocean. I said it goes with a fortune. I thought I'd hear voices There you go, Mr. Randall.